Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to show you your next most key support level to long, which I will be longing as well. If you watched the last video, I know I was saying, look, Bitcoin is in a bear market, but I also told you exactly where to short this if we got a pump. So I do that in every video. I give you your support and resistance levels like I'm going to do today. So do pay attention to these targets. There's a few things people are not paying attention to. The DXY hit 107 today, and today we had the FOMC, so expect a lot of volatility. So let's cover this. I'm going to show you the targets that I'm paying attention to. If you're trading, these charts are the charts you want to have. This is new Bitstamp 3.0 chart I covered in the last video. And guys, if you want to get in leverage trading, Bigot is a great platform. My link is pinned in the first comment description if you want to sign up. This is a tutorial video I put up. We're teaching you how to long and short, set up a stop loss, trigger orders. So if you want to watch this video, I'll put a link up to it now. If you're located in the US and you're looking for an exchange to trade on, BingX and CoinCatch is a great option. Those links are pinned in the first comment description as well. So in the previous video, guys, I'm not going to play the clips. You can go back and watch it. I'll link up this video now if you want to check it out. But I told you it was very likely we had a lot of liquidity up around 35K. So if we got above this resistance, expect a scam wick up to around 35K. You can see down here I have a closed captions on. Upside target would be around 34,000. Well, I didn't finish 35,000 to 34,965. Very same video showing you a smaller time frame. Your current resistance is 35,546. If you get above, watch for rejection around 35,000. You can see right down here. As you can see, this played out. We pushed up. We got a double top right here, but your resistance pretty much was around 35K. That's where you should have shorted. Notice we are back right underneath this resistance level. We found support down here on the Bollinger Band on the 2 hour. I'm going to show you the next point. I'm going to go in on a long. This is just a published version, so you can see how this played out. I published this October 29th. You can see what happened. And if you watched the previous video, I covered the video before that. I said if we get above this resistance, watch to get rejected at this fib channel line. Notice we pushed up, got rejected again, and came back down. This is on the daily. So again, that's what I was talking about 2 videos back. That was your point too short. And that's it when you came up and you made contact with this fib channel line, that's where to short. Now we're back below this resistance. So your next point too long is going to be down here around 33,840. But I do think that this was nothing more than a scam wick. All of this was to take out liquidity above. Now that liquidity is gone and there is a lot of liquidity below, which means it's time to take out all of these longs. I do think we have a lot more downside. I can tell you this, if we break, let me make this screen here. If we break, now I will open along at 33,800 around that area. If we break that support, guys, we are headed all the way down to around 32,392. This chart has been very accurate. I do believe this is a pattern we're in. Again, all of this was just to take out liquidity. It is all about the liquidity. So I'm going to show you this same chart. I covered this yesterday. This is how it played out on the daily. You can see what happened. You can't see the next daily candle open yet. But notice we're moving down this. Again, this was just to take out liquidity. Wicks right back underneath. So again, your support is right down here. And this was just another chart, guys, the stage 1 chart. I covered this previously. This is the pattern that we were in. So once 34,000, let's just say once we break below 34,113, we are headed down to 33,840. And if that breaks, we're headed down to 32,392. And do not forget, these rings are coming up soon, all right? And as I said, some of you you're probably not patient enough. I know exactly what's going to happen. Now, again, okay, let me rephrase that. I don't know what's going to happen, but I know, depending on what happens at the time, how it will play out. So one more time, just to recap. Where the price drops and we get some volatility and go up and down, regardless what happens, if we cross this orange ring first, we are going to have a major crash. If price continues up and we cross this ring first, we are going to get a major pump. Again, I told you in yesterday's video how far away that is. It is a good ways away. But the more we drop, the closer we get. Let's move on really quick, guys. So again, your current resistance right now is 34,338. If we get above that as support, your next resistance to watch is up around 34,900, around 35,000. Again, if we break 34,113, we are headed way the hell down. Again, the DXY just pushed up to 107. People seem to be ignoring this. The DXY is pushing up. You know what that means, right? Everyone is jumping out of stocks into cash. That's why cash keeps pushing up. That's why the DXY is on a tear. Again, in the last video, I was saying that, look, Bitcoin is in a bear market. It's being manipulated. Pretty soon you're going to find out, and I'm telling you, it's going to be at that orange ring. Now, again, if you do want to sign up, get access to these live charts, guys, the website is autocrypto.com. Links pinned in the first comment and description. Do watch this tutorial video I put up if you want to learn how to trade. Remember, all exchanges are pretty much the same. When you learn how to trade on one, you can trade on all of them. Again, BitGet, BingX, and CoinCats. Those links are pinned in the first comment description. And by the way, Tom Crown, he will be doing a live stream. I think he's going to start around 1 o'clock. The actual FOMC is around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, maybe 2:30. But I'll be in there. So if you do want to watch this live stream and see what Jerome Powell does, check out this live stream. But guys, that's pretty much, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.